Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try something a little different. Last week I did the squishy. This week I'm going to try painting this pot. So I've seen some people gesso this stuff first and then start painting, but I'm going to go ahead and just paint it and see how that goes. I know the gesso takes a really long time to dry, and I don't really have that kind of time. Okay guys, so this is my first coat of red. I am gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the brown for the chocolate. Alright guys, I'm not gonna even lie, I lost count as to how many times I painted this thing. I painted it with these, but I had to have done easily over 10 coats, and it still wasn't coming out right. So I ended up going ahead and using some puffy paint, and the puffy paint got it with this shiny coat on it. I want to get this brown a little bit lower because I want to make it look like the chocolate is dripping. Okay guys, so I made a really dumb mistake. I was trying to cover up the little brown spots that were here, but the red wasn't covering it up. So I decided to just paint it white, the little spots white, and then after it dries, go over it with the red. But that wasn't working. It was looking kind of clumpy and just not good. So I had to sand the whole thing down, and this is what I have. So now I have to do it all over again, and that sucks. So if you didn't believe that I'm not a professional, this validates it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks after I repainted. I mean, it doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. It's not perfect, but it'll do. It'll work. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and try to draw a little face here and then paint it. So it's hard to draw on this with the pencil, so I'm just gonna have to go in for it. Okay guys, so I didn't like how far the mouth came out. This one was ending right here, but this one was coming like on this side of the eye. So I had to try my best to get it off. I used a little dab of water and got it off, but now the red, obviously the red also came off. So I had to do another coat on the red. Now I have to wait for that to dry. And I don't know if it's gonna blend in nicely with the rest of the red. It's probably gonna take me more coats again. I feel like it's going on close to a week trying to get this pot right. And next time, I'm serious, I am going to try the gesso. Alright, so maybe my eyes aren't exactly symmetrical. Maybe the smile's a little off, but hey, it's a happy pot, right? Alright, so now I'm going to go for the inside of the eye. I think it might be dry enough. Looks cute, right? Right? Looks cute. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like so far. I was debating putting sprinkles around the chocolate part. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put the sprinkles on it, and if it doesn't work, then I'll try to paint over it, but it's so cute so far, right? Look at it. I think it looks so good with the sprinkles on it. So much better. I need to fix this part right here, dry it, and then I'll probably put a little gloss over it, and then she'll be all done. Okay guys, so this is the final look with the varnish on it, and that's it. She looks pretty cute, and hopefully with the varnish it will not get ruined. And that's it. See you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.